We're thrilled to announce the launch of our latest add-on, ChatGPT for SmartMatchApp. In this video, we'll show you how you can activate this in your SmartMatchApp CRM. Keep in mind that you should have a paid subscription to the OpenAI platform to generate your secret key. So let's begin. First, hit Add-ons. Then scroll down and click ChatGPT. Click the Activate button. Now, head over to OpenAI Platform and locate the API keys. Click the green Create New Secret Key button. Copy the secret key provided. Head back to your SmartMatchApp CRM and click on the Add OpenAI Key button. Paste the copied code to your SmartMatchApp ChatGPT add-on in the field provided. Refresh your browser and you should see the GPT Helper bubble menu when you create or send a new email to your clients. And that is how you activate the ChatGPT add-on inside your SmartMatchApp. Feel free to share this video to your fellow matchmakers because sharing is caring. Subscribe now if you haven't already, and as always, click the bell button to get notified once a new video is out. Until next time.